We are pleased to inform you that we have landed 38 minutes ahead of schedule. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment. And please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board and look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Peng Xingyan, First Officer Lauren Chong, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. For passengers traveling with infants and are given infant life vests, please return them to the cabin crew.
Eksakto.
Pasok. Kasama na yan ako.
Silang talaga si Kayla?
Si Jesma.
Jesma.
September 6 pa yun.
Ni September 6. Masyado. Yung business niya. Okay ba yung business niya? Mayabang eh. Yayabang.
Ayos no. Eh, malaki namang ginastos dun eh.
200.
Ano? Hindi. Kalahating milyon.